What's poppin', y'all? Your boy, man. Building funny ass dad is back in this bitch. Yeah, I've been gone for a minute. Yeah, like 3 weeks ago, I did a video saying I was supposed to post another one. And I ain't never post that bitch. So, gonna be a minute, y'all. Gotta get some shit together. You feel me? So I'm not saying gonna be like a minute, like a couple months, minute. No, nigga, like a minute, nigga. Like, I'm about to have this shit together. So, I'm gonna have a little short, like, skits after this video that I'm recording right now. I'm gonna have skits come on that y'all will watch. And y'all tell me what y'all like. Also, follow my YouTube channel, Building Funny Ass Dad. Follow my Instagram at Building_funny_ass_dad. Literally ASS. Follow me. And y'all can follow me on Facebook at Christopher Forever Trosclair. I'll follow my funny page. The same thing, Building Funny Ass Dad. Or y'all can follow my clothing line, which I will be coming out soon with. Came from nothing clothing. It's all about how me and my bro came from nothing, basically. How we coming up from the come up of, everyday struggle, doing this, doing that. Same old, same shit, But y'all get ready. And stop wearing my fucking cup and my Popeyes in the background. I'm eating good, bitches. Fuck y'all.
That one friend who never want to take his hat off. Say, son, take that hat off. Nah, son, you bugging, man. No, leave me alone. Damn, son, you got like that? Why you don't want to take your hat off? Damn, nigga, you ain't no hat type of nigga. What you mean, son? I turned into a hat type of nigga. Fuck you mean, dog? You tripping. Stop that. Nah, my nigga. You just don't want to take that hat off. You damn right I don't want to take my hat off, because you niggas really be bugging, man. Come on, man. Take it off for a nigga, man. For real. Just one time. All right, bro. See what your puss ass. That's why I didn't want to take it off. Because you want to see that laugh at a nigga face. 2018, nigga. The fuck? Any other nigga? Fat niggas ain't got shit on me, man. I'm the king of the snacks in 2019 too. Nigga got another bag. I smashed that. I got another bag. Come on, man. Come on. Ain't nobody fucking with me, man. 2019. You see the Family Dollar logo on that bitch. I ain't tripping, man. Anti-theft ass shit on it, man. Look at this, man. Fuck what y'all talking about, man. Fuck. That's empty, y'all. Hold the fuck up. That's a big ass bag. This ain't no small bag shit, man. Hold up, man. Ain't no little bag shit, man. You see family size on that, man. Who's trying to get in on that, man? Come on, man. Look. Almost, man. Hold up. I ain't done. I was feeling a little, one little chewy candy. Man, I wish a nigga would tell me they got more snacks than me. Nigga, I had all the snacks in 2018, nigga. You're out!